Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I want to show y'all the new collection from MAKARTT. It's the Mariposa Mayhem collection, and this is the box it came in. I'm gonna take everything out and then I'll just show y'all one by one. That way we don't have a bunch of stuff in the way. Okay, so that's everything. So the first thing I'm going to show you is this right here. It has, this is the 4-color nail extension kit, coupon code for them for these products. So I will leave that in the description box. I will also leave the link. I will link everything down below like I always do, or I try to do. So the 4 colors that are in here are Rebirth, Chat Up, Wings, and Morpheo? I don't know. I can't see, I'm blind. Oh shoot. So on the bottom we have, oh these are so pretty. We have 3D butterflies, and then we have let me see. So we have these cute little butterflies in here. Let me zoom in. Look at how pretty they are. It's a mix of iridescent, like an opal pink and blue. They're so pretty. And then you get these little 3D butterfly charms. These are so cute. They're so pretty. Oh man, these are so cute. I can't wait to use these. So you get those. You also get dual forms. You also get these pretty butterflies right here. These are colorful ones, and then on the other side you get some gold ones, or rose gold. And then you get your file and your brush. I love that these kits come with brushes. One side's a brush and the other side's a spatula. You literally have everything you need to do a nice set of nails and nail art in this kit. You get everything you need in the kit, and that's so cool. You get a file, it's a 100/180 file. You get your top coat and your base coat, and then here are the 4 colors. And they're all like shimmery. Here's the green. They're so pretty. I'm loving these two. And also pick up the gel polishes, and you get 6 colors in here. And that's what they come. And in the back you always have your instructions on how to use it. You get passion, strength, innocence, wisdom, hope, and inspired. And I do have sticks right here. Let's swatch these real quick.
myself, I had to wake up all time wasted on fake love for take my loss. I don't need no insecurities, don't need no flaws. That way be tiring down my energy. I can't keep up all the say within myself. No, no, it's time I focus on myself. No.
Some more decals.
Now I'm reaching for the clock. Get my shoes on, then I'm tying up the knot. Gotta be strong, follow my spot. Broke out, kicked out.
They're so pretty.
Pick up another little decoration kit. So here you got more butterflies and more stickers. Oh my god, they're so pretty. And then you get more of these little butterfly like these, but in different colors. So oh no! One was open. Okay, so I finally got them arranged, and so you get a light pink butterflies, and it's mixed. So this is a mix. It has different colors and different glitters. You also get this one.
Situation hard to make that call. For a minute I was down, thought it was all my fault. I think I lied to myself. I had to wake up all time wasted on
This one.
for take my loss. I don't need no insecurities, don't need no flaws. That way be tiring down my energy. I can't keep up all the say within myself. No, no, it's time I focus on myself. No, now I'm reaching for the clock. Get my shoes on, then I'm tying up the knot. Gotta be strong, follow my spot. Broke out, kicked out the door.
In this same little nail art kit, you also get a few other colors for these little glass butterflies. You can buy everything I showed in this video separate or in a whole kit. I purchased the whole kit, so it included everything, but they do have everything separate, and I will put them in the description box below. Thanks for watching, everybody. Don't forget to use my coupon code, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the little bell so you get notified of my next video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.